Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn EVS lesson, Animal Shelter. Can you tell? The cat is lying in wait for someone. Who is that? In this picture you can see the cat is seated in front of this hole. Who is live in this hole? That is mouse. The cat is waiting for mouse. What has frightened the crows? Why are they trying to frighten the cat away? Look in this picture. The crows are trying to frighten the cat away. Why? Because they are afraid that cat will eat their eggs. Now next point. Why do we need houses? Very cold weather, gusty winds, scorching sun, heavy rains can causes us great discomfort. We live in houses to protect ourselves from them. A house also protects us from thefts. Some people live in very close to forest. They have to face the threat of wild animals. A house protects them from the wild animals. So why we need houses? Because to protect ourselves from cold weather, gusty winds, scorching sun, heavy rains and thefts, and also from wild animal. The house gives us shelter and we are safe in the house. So that's why we need house. Like us, do animal also need shelter? Yes, some animal do. They build shelter for themselves. Some other animal find shelter in safe places in the environment. New term is here, shelter. A safe place where one is protected from any danger. A place where one is protected from the sun, rain, wind, etc. Animal who build shelter for themselves. You must have seen bird nest. Nest are shelter that bird build. So, what is the name of the shelter of the bird? That is nest. And why they build the nest? Because the bird are afraid of animals that eat eggs. So, they need a safe place to lay their eggs. Look this picture. In this picture you can see the bird keep their eggs in the nest and afterward the young ones come out from the egg. The bird keep their young ones in their nest because the young ones are small. Some animal are eat them and they are not able to defend this animal. They cannot fly. So the bird keep their young ones in the nest. They will be safe in the nest. Okay. They use things like grass, straw and twigs to build the nest. They may even use cotton, wool and pieces of thread and string. Why? Because this makes the nest soft and warm inside. But the nest of all birds are not all alike. That means different type of a bird having different type of a nest. Look here, weaver bird and their nest. The weaver bird choose thorny tree which has some branches hanging over water. Why they choose this type of a branches? Because animal which are eating eggs, it is impossible for them to reach this nest because it is hanging over the water. Tailor bird and its nest. The tailor bird is smaller than a sparrow. It select plant with bigger leaves and build its nest by stretching the leaves together. It uses a fine tendril to stretch them together. Now what is tendril? Tendril is a thread-like structure and the tailor bird used this tendril to stretch the nest. This little nest is big enough for little tailor bird. Some insects also build their own shelter. In this picture you can see the honeybee and their shelter, that is honeycomb. In this picture you can see the honeycomb or the shelter of this honeybee is hanging on the branch of tree. So the honeybee built their honeycomb. Okay. Now look, the rat and mice, where they live? The rat and mice live underground in the field. They make holes and burrows in the soil to live. They live in the holes of wall or under the floor. They mostly take shelter in mud houses. They cannot dig holes into cement construction. So they do not take shelter in the houses built with cement. Now, animal that find ready shelter in the surrounding. Some animal do not make any effort to build a shelter. They find ready shelter in the surrounding. They don't build their own shelter. They are finding shelter of other animal, or they are finding the places where they can live in. They simply look around for a safe place. Some doves and pigeons live in forest. Some live in small hollows in high cliffs. Some live near our houses. They find shelter in the gap in wall. See this picture. Tiger live in cave. The tiger, leopard and hyenas live in caves. They don't build the caves. Cave is ready shelter for them. So they just find out the caves where they live. Some type of a bat live in tall trees. In this picture you can see the bat. Bat live in tall trees, but some live in dark cavern in mountain. They look for shelter in old, deserted, tumble down buildings. That means the bat finding their shelter where no one using this area. Do you know, it is believed that a cobra live in an ant hill, but that is not true. Ant hill are built by ants, not by a cobra. The cobra live in holes. Now, shelter for domestic animals. People keep animals and they build houses or shelters for them. When people keep animals, they build shelter for them. In this picture, you can see the animal and their shelter. Look this picture. A cow shed is built for cow. The shelter built for hen is called as a chicken coop or hen house. Here the hen and there hen house. The shelter for a horse is called as a stable. So this is the shelter for domestic animal. Here we completed our third chapter. Thank you.